Hello, everyone. Welcome again. Please remember to like and share the content. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so and also click on the notification icon. At this point, let me say that we will be exploring looting in Jamaica, which has a complex history deeply intertwined with the island's socioeconomic challenges, natural disasters, and historical legacy of exploitation. First, let us explore the historical context, the colonial era and piracy. During the 17th century, Jamaica was a hub for piracy and privateering, particularly in Port Royal, which became infamous as the wickedest city on earth. Pirates and privateers plundered Spanish ships and settlements under royal commissions, enriching themselves and European empires. Port Royal thrived on this economy of chaos until its destruction by an earthquake in 1692, followed by fires and hurricanes that further diminished its prominence. Buccaneers also played a significant role in looting during this era. They operated democratically within crews, dividing spoils evenly, which often included stolen goods from Spanish settlements or ships. Now let us examine the 19th century calamities. In 1843, a fire in Kingston devastated over 30 city blocks, leading to widespread looting. Reports describe citizens as riotous, drunken, and disorderly, with stolen goods transported to other parishes or smuggled by boat. One thing is established: there will be looting during natural disasters. Jamaica has experienced significant looting during hurricanes and other natural disasters. Hurricane Gilbert, 1988. This hurricane caused extensive damage and loss of life. Looting was rampant, with over $51.2 million worth of goods stolen from food stores and supermarkets. Even hospitals were targeted during the chaos. Hurricane Ivan, 2004, and Dennis, 2005. Looting incidents were reported during these hurricanes, although security measures reduced their frequency compared to Gilbert. Hurricane Dean, 2007. Looting escalated to violent confrontations between police and looters in Clarendon. Curfews were imposed to mitigate further incidents. Hurricane Sandy, 2012. Looters shot a senior police officer during attempts to secure businesses in Kingston Western Police Division. Hurricane Beryl, 2024. While overall looting was minimal due to security measures like curfews, the Poco Loco floating bar in Ocho Rios was heavily looted after being damaged by the storm. Over $550,000 worth of merchandise was stolen. There is also looting during social unrest. For example, the fuel riots, 1999. A sharp increase in fuel prices led to violent protests across Jamaica. Looters targeted shops while barricades disrupted transportation. The unrest resulted in deaths and injuries. There were also the anti-Chinese riots. In 1918, 1938, and 1965, anti-Chinese riots involved looting Chinese-owned businesses as part of broader social tensions. Socioeconomic dimensions. Looting in Jamaica reflects broader socioeconomic disparities. According to Professor Errol Miller, looting occurs at all levels of society, from impoverished individuals during disasters to systemic exploitation by elites through policies that disadvantage ordinary citizens. Legacy of exploitation. Jamaica's history of conquest, piracy, and colonial exploitation has left a lasting imprint on its society. From the plundering by privateers to modern instances of opportunistic theft during crises or protests, looting has often been symptomatic of deeper structural inequalities. In summary, looting in Jamaica spans centuries, shaped by historical piracy, natural disasters, social unrest, and systemic inequalities. While efforts have been made to curb such incidents through curfews or enhanced security, the phenomenon remains a reflection of broader societal challenges.